Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 13 Symmetry. So, what is symmetry? When a shape can be folded so that one half would fit exactly over the other half along the fold line. The shape is said to be symmetrical. The fold line is called the axis of symmetry. Okay, so what did you understand? Symmetry means, suppose if any figure is there, suppose this is the one of the square, means if you will have fold from here, suppose you are folding from here, so here folding from here, it means this two parts. Now we have this one part is here, okay, and another part we have here, these two parts. It means whenever you will fold this part over on this second part, it should exactly, these two parts should cover exactly to each other. They should cover to the each other. So that is called the symmetry. These two figures are called symmetry. If these two figures are not symmetry, so that we can say asymmetrical. Which type of figure we will say? That is your asymmetrical figure. But it is a symmetry means both figures is identical, and they can be, when you will cover each other, means you will cover the another one along with that, so that means exactly they will cover. Okay, and this line is called, this particular line from where it is folded, this line is called the axis of symmetry. Okay, suppose you are folding from here, so again this part and this part will fold to the each other, means they will cover to the each other exactly, they will, it will fit over on another part. So this line is called the line, this is called the axis of symmetry. Got it? So this is all about the symmetry. So now some more things, like you can just understand from here. If you will fold it from here, it means this part and this part, whenever you will fold it over here or this part to here, they will cover to the each other. Similarly here also you can see, this is called the symmetry axis all around, such as you can see here from, okay, like from the butterfly here, between that you can see that this part will fold over here, so that will be covered exactly. From here also you will cover, so this part will exactly cover to the this part. So this is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Okay, so these are the some examples you can see it for this symmetrical figure, so through that it can be possible. Mirror image. So next we have mirror image. A shape is said to be symmetrical when one half of it is placed in front of mirror, you see that other half in the mirror. Each half is called the mirror image on the other. Mirror image means, suppose one line is there, so whatever the image is forming over here, you can see this is the one of the line, one of the image, sorry. So in this another part, you can see this is the another part, this line, this same image you can see in your mirror also, and this line is called the mirror of line, from where the another image start forming. Means after that the new image will be formed, means after this the difference means the two images, original images and reflected image, is separated by one line, which is called the mirror mirror line. Okay, in figure you can see that the dotted line is considered the mirror, and both pictures one each other mirror line complete the each other. As I told that these two pictures are separated by the this mirror line. Okay, and this is the one half, and you can see when you will flip this image, you will flip means from here to here, you will flip this image, so these two images will exactly cover to the each other. Okay, so this is about, this is your mirror image. Okay, now reflection symmetry. If one side of image is the mirror image of other side, then we can say that the figure has reflected symmetry. Means this is a mirror line, so its a reflection is this one. Okay, you can see in the mirror it will look like this. This is B. So the whenever you will see in the mirror, it will look like this. So this is the reflection symmetry. These two are symmetry, but which kind of symmetry? Reflected one. Means also you can put on this B, means you will see that it will cover exactly. Okay, another name of reflection symmetry is that mirror symmetry. What is that? Mirror symmetry. The axis of symmetry line is also known as mirror line or reflection line. This is called the mirror line or the reflection line, you can see it. Got it? Now next you can see non-symmetrical figures, means those have the non-symmetry. Likewise you can see this is a 7. If you will cut it from here or cut it from here, can this cut it means you can fold from either this side or this side, can it will cover? No. Here also, can it will be covered? If you will put it over here, can it cover? No, either from this side or either from this. So these are not a symmetrical figures, means they will, if you will fold from somewhere, they will not cover to the each other, so they are not the symmetrical, so they are non symmetrical figures or numbers or letters, or you can say this is the asymmetrical. Now next you can see symmetry in geometrical shapes like a square. In the square you can fold from here also, you can here from here, means total how many lines of symmetry? 4 lines of symmetry in the square. How many? 4. As for the rectangle, how many? 2 lines of symmetry. From here you can fold and from here. So in the rectangle how many lines of symmetry? 2. But in the case of square, how many lines of symmetry? 4. Okay, means through these 4 lines you can fold it and that will exactly cover to the each other, means both all the figures will be covered. Like in the circle, how many lines of symmetry? Infinite. How many? Infinite. So many lines it is possible. Okay, there is a infinite. Similarly in the equilateral triangle, how many lines of symmetry? 3 lines of symmetry. How many are there? Total 3 lines of symmetry. Got it? In the in case of equilateral triangle, you know that what is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangles, those have the, means equilateral triangles whose all sides are equal, means that you can say that this type of triangle is called equilateral triangles. And also one thing you should know, how many equal sides are will be there, so that many of the that many of the symmetrical lines will be there. Suppose here how many equal lines are there? 3 lines are there. So it means you can check that how many symmetrical lines? 3. Here you can see how many equal lines are there actually. 1, this is the one pair and this is the one pair. 2 pairs are there, so it means 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines are equal, 1 line and 2. Here how many lines are equal? 4. So check that how many lines of symmetry? 4. So by this also you can understand. Okay, now you can see the next one, symmetry in letters of alphabet. Okay, so like A, if you cut it from this line is called the vertical line. Okay, you will cut it from the vertical wise, so you will see that this portion will be, you will flip it here, or this portion you can flip it here, so both can cover. Either this E also in the horizontal wise it is cut, so both can be, like the letter F, G, L, E, etc. do not have the symmetry lines. Means you can understand it from here also. I have given some figures also here. This is the, this following letters you can see, this is like vertical, means you can divide this vertical symmetry, this, then it is possible to be symmetrical identical figures. It is possible from here you can fold it. Like B, you have to draw the, you have to fold the horizontal wise. C also horizontal wise. D horizontal wise. E horizontal wise. F it is not possible. Okay, neither means nor a horizontal wise nor a vertical wise. Similarly for G also not possible. In the case of H, you can fold it from both way, either from vertical wise and horizontal wise. Okay, for the I also both. Okay, J is neither, means you are not able to do. K only horizontal. L is neither, means not possible. Okay, and for the same, O it is for the both. Okay, anyway, P not possible. Like Q neither, R also neither. So likewise you can see this, these are the figures. You can just also you can write in this your copy, all these figures you can write down in your copy. Okay, this figures you can write in your copy. Okay, how it is done it, you can just write in the copy all these figures, you just check it. Okay, once again you see it nicely and you can draw in your copy too. Okay, all the letters are there. Okay, vertical wise, horizontal wise neither, means it is not possible. Okay, both means vertical and horizontal also. Okay, now next we will solve, now we will solve the exercise 13. Let's solve the exercise 13. First of all, is the folded line is symmetry, right? Yes or no? Means from that line is symmetry or not. If you will fold it, so from this line, if you will fold it, can these two will be covered to the each other? These two portion, these two side. Yes or no? Yes, it is possible. So right here, yes. Here it is possible. You can see this portion can cover this portion. No, because this is the smaller one and this is the little bigger, so it is not possible. So right here, no. Okay, here it is possible to cover each other. No, again this portion will cover to only this, up to this portion only, so it is not possible. So here it is possible. Yes, it is possible because this figure will cover exactly to the this figure, so it is possible. Yes. Okay, now here you can see number E. It is possible. Yes, just I told letter S. About L, I told that no, already we have seen this letter. Like G, is it possible? Yes, these two can cover. Okay, yes, it is possible. Yes. H, it is, these two figures can cover to each other. Yes, so right here. Yes. Okay, now next draw the lines on symmetry using the dotted lines. Okay, so you have to draw the symmetry of these lines by the dotted line, that it can the cover to the each other exactly. Okay, so how it's look like, you have to draw the symmetry of symmetry line like this heart. So from what will be that, it's a symmetrical line. So from here you can draw this dotted line, means through here you can draw dotted line. So this will be the symmetry of this. Okay, so here for the next picture also you can draw the symmetry from here, so they can the cover to the each other. Here what is the symmetry line? It is possible, it is possible from here. Okay, so both it can be covered here. Here from here you can do, here line of symmetry, it is possible here. This is the, again you can do from here. Got it? Here the in this way also it is possible, in this also from this way and this way. Here it is in this way, or either you can do in this way also. Okay, so in the both way it is possible. So likewise you can draw the line of symmetry of for the this all given pictures. Okay, now number 3, question number 3, it is that these are half shapes with lines of symmetry. Copy these shapes in your notebook and complete them. Means you have to trace the half part. Okay, so in the mirror how it will look like, so this is the half part, so another part will be like look like this. Okay, so that you have to draw in this figure. So what will be itself, so it will look like, here you can draw, likewise it will be. Okay, so you can draw the half part, it will be like this. Okay, for this you can see, for this it will be one triangle here. Okay, in the mirror you can see how it will look like, so that is you have to draw here. So you have to complete it in your copy nicely, you have to do it. Got it? You do in your copy. Now, are the following flags symmetrical? If yes, then draw the line of symmetry of this. Okay, if it is a, then you have to draw. So like 4, it is a symmetry, so we can write yes. How? So if you will divide it from here, so in this way. Okay, in this way, so that exactly both will be covered to the each other. So here number, okay, so this is the symmetry. Number B, again it is a symmetry, from here you can do it. Okay, now next you can see this number C, it is not a symmetrical. Okay, it is not a symmetrical. Number D, is it symmetrical? Again it is not possible. Number E, yes it is possible, yes in this way you can do, so it is just 7. So these 3 are the symmetrical flag. Okay, and these are the lines of symmetry. So that line of symmetry actually you have to draw in the dotted line. Okay, lines of symmetry here, in this way you have to draw this dotted line of symmetry. Okay, this dotted line should be there. Now next, question number 5, what kind of symmetry do the images given have, like vertical or horizontal and none? Vertical, horizontal, that you have to do. So number A, so you can see here, so for this you can write it is for the vertical, this is for the horizontal, and this is your none. Okay, so likewise you can do it. Okay, once again you do nicely, you copy in your math notebook, write down this nicely, you draw it and draw these lines of symmetry. Okay, so do this exercise 13.